Hi, welcome back to my channel. In last video I have discussed about clipper which clips the unwanted portion or waveform of the entire input signal. There are four types: positive clipper, negative clipper, positive biased clipper and negative biased clipper. In last video I have explained about positive clipper and negative clipper, and in this video I will be explaining about positive biased clipper and negative biased clipper. So just going through the previous video, positive clipper which clips the positive waveform, like positive off cycle of the complete waveform, and negative clipper which clips the negative portion or negative off cycle of the input waveform. So next we will be seeing about positive, third one is positive biased clipper. So here also we shall remember this anode, cathode. If anode is more positive than the cathode, then this is forward bias and closed switch. If anode, cathode, if cathode is more positive than the anode, or if cathode is connected to negative and anode is connected to positive, then this is reverse bias and the diode is open switch. So I'll explain this by using a circuit. Positive biased clipper is a clipper which clips the positive half cycle of the input waveform, but based on this desired level which is supplied by the battery. By using the battery supply voltage, the input, that is the positive waveform, will be clipped. So I'll explain that how. So resistor and diode. Here you are giving a positive battery, and this is the output you will be taking out from load resistor. Okay, so this is P and this is Q. Here let me draw the waveform. In positive clipper and negative clipper, we will not consider the each voltage level of the input. We will just consider either it is positive waveform or negative waveform. So according to that, P and Q will vary. But here we have to consider the each voltage level of the input signal, because there is a battery connection. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So battery voltage is 3 volt. So this positive 3 volt is applied to cathode of the diode. That is, the battery is 3 volt battery. So so this is the input signal. This input signal is applied. Peak voltage is 5 minus 5, 0. So this voltage we are applying here. So for cathode you are applying a 3 volt. So that is a constant 3 volt applied for the entire values of input signal. This anode value alone will keep on changing, because that's what we are applying. So this first we will apply the positive waveform. First we will apply the positive waveform. The positive waveform is 0 to 5 and again 5 to 0. So 0, first we will apply 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Again this 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. So these are the input values you will be applying first. So what happens when you apply 0? You don't have to consider, because it is just DC level. 1. So now first you will be applying 1 to the anode. So first you will be applying 1 to the anode. So if you see, cathode is more positive. So if cathode is more positive, then diode is reverse bias condition for 1 and 3 volt. Diode is reverse bias. So diode is open, and hence no current will flow through the diode. The entire current will flow through the output resistor. So same as such 1 volt you will get. I will be drawing the output here. This is as simple as that. I will be explaining each value, so you will feel it like an lengthier one, but overall it is just a very simple one. So 0, it is a DC level. 1 you have applied. For 1 you have applied to anode, and this anode becomes less positive than the cathode. That is this condition. So that the diode will become reverse bias and no current will flow through the diode. Entire current will flow through the output. So 1 you will get as such. Now you will be applying 2 volt. So this cathode is 3 volt. Now you will be checking again, the cathode is more positive than the anode. So same condition. So you will be getting 2 volt. Next 3 volt. So you will be getting 3 volt. So both are same. So this means that diode is in forward bias condition. Diode is closed. So when diode is closed, entire current will flow across the diode and no current will flow across the resistor. So you will not get any output. The voltage will remain the same. Next you will be applying 4 volt. Again here 3 volt is present. So if you see here, anode is more positive. So if anode is positive, then it means that diode is forward biased and the diode is closed. So when this is closed, the entire current will flow across the diode and no current will flow across the output resistor. So you will not get output for even 4 volt. So again you will apply 5 volt. 5 is greater than 3. So anode is greater than cathode. So this condition, forward bias closed. When it is closed, all the current will flow across the diode and no current will flow. So again no current at the output. So it will remain the same for 3 volt, 4 volt, 5 volt, because all are greater values. Then again back to 4 volt, then back to 3 volt. So now again 2 volt. When 2 voltage is applied, so now this becomes small and cathode becomes greater. This condition 2 and 3. So 2 volt, 3 volt. Now reverse bias condition. So open circuit, and when it is open, no current will flow. Entire current will flow across the output resistor. So you will get 2 volt as an output. The same. So 1 volt if you apply, again this is small, this is higher, then reverse bias. So you will get 1 volt. So here if you see, instead of clipping the entire positive cycle, you are just clipping this part alone. So this part we are getting as an output. Only the upper portion of the positive wave signal is clipped. So here positive clipper clips the positive waveform, but based on the level or the voltage that is applied by the battery. Here 3 volt is applied, so till 3 volt only we will get an output waveform. So above 3 volt, above the voltage supplied by the battery, there is no waveform. So instead of all these internal calculations, you can simply draw the circuit based on the voltage level. Positive 3 volt is applied, so till positive 3 volt the signal will be passed, and whatever the value which you are applying greater than the battery voltage, no signal will be passed. So for negative waveform, so -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, again -4, -3, -2, -1 and 0. So again I will redraw this. Same cathode is 3 volt. Anode, now you will be applying -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So these values you will be applying to the input of the cathode. So these are all negative values, and this side it is positive. So for all the conditions, for all the voltage values of the input signal, anode is less than the cathode. So when anode is less means anode is negative, cathode is positive. So for our entire range, the diode will be acting as a reverse bias condition and diode is acting as a open switch. So when diode is acting as an open switch, no current will flow across the diode. Entire current will flow across the output resistor. So since entire current is flowing through the resistor, you will get an entire output as such as an input. For positive clipper, if you give an input like this, you will receive an output. The entire positive waveform is clipped. For positive biased clipper, positive waveform is clipped but based on the voltage level you are applying here. Since positive 3 volt is applied, positive 3 voltage is alone applied as an output, and rest all the input values is clipped. So this is all about positive biased clipper. Next is negative biased clipper. This also works on the same principle. You need to check the anode value, cathode value, and decide whether it is in forward bias or reverse bias. Then based on that, the output is sent. So here again resistor, diode. Here negative of the battery is applied to anode. So this is the output voltage. V out, P, Q. So let's consider same 3 volt battery, but negative 3 volt is applied to anode because this negative is connected to anode of the battery. So negative 3 volt. So I'll draw the same circuit. Anode, cathode. Anode is more positive than the cathode, so this is forward bias and closed switch. Next is anode, cathode. Anode is less positive than the cathode. This anode is connected to negative of the battery, so this is open switch. That is reverse bias, so diode will act as an open switch. In this, the anode is minus 3 volt. For all the input values of the signal, the anode value is constant, that is minus 3 volt. These cathode values alone will get changed. So similar like before, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So input, this is the input signal. So we will see how we will get an output. This is the input signal. Peak voltage is 5 volt. The anode voltage will alone keep on varying, and cathode voltage will alone keep on varying, and anode voltage is minus 3 volt, which is constant. So let's see for all the input values of cathode how the output will vary. So first is anode is 3 volt. First let's check for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 4, 3, 2, 1. So for all these values, first let's check. So you are applying a positive input signal. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again back to 4, 3, 2, 1. So these are the positive waveform values. When you apply 1 to cathode, and this is anode. So if you see this, all the cathode values are positive and this is negative. So anode is negative, cathode is positive. So what happens is that the diode will act as a open switch and no current will flow across the diode, and entire current will flow across the output resistor. So for all the values of input waveform, you will get the output waveform 0 to 5 volt, because for all the values the diode will be acting as a open switch. So now let's see for negative off cycle. For negative off cycle, again I will draw this. This is still minus 3 volt. What are the negative values? So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, again minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So yes. So let's check for minus 1. So when cathode is minus 1, which means that cathode is more positive than the anode. So when cathode is more positive, it means that it is still in the reverse bias condition, open switch, therefore no current will flow, entire current will flow across the output resistor. So for -1 you will get the same output. For -2, again -2, this is more positive, that is cathode is positive. So cathode is positive means still it is in reverse bias, so diode will act as an open switch, no current will flow across the diode, entire current will flow across the output. So for -2 also you will get an output. -3, both are same, so it both are same, so this is a forward bias condition, closed switch, entire current will flow across the diode and no current will flow across the output resistor, therefore no voltage, the voltage will remain the same, still in -2 volt. Now -4, so when you apply -4, this anode becomes positive, so anode becomes positive, cathode is negative, so diode is forward biased, closed condition, and the diode current will flow across the diode and no current will flow across the diode. So for all the values, if you see -4, -5, again -4, -3, till these values the output will remain the same, -2, because till that the diode will be in forward condition. So when you apply -2, so again this cathode is positive than the anode, so reverse bias condition, open switch, no current across diode, entire current is across the output resistor, so you will get same output value. Then for -1 also same, diode will act as a open switch in reverse bias condition, no current across the diode, entire current across the output resistor, so you will get the -1. So if you see for negative clipper, negative portion of the input signal will be clipped. Since biased, we are biasing the circuit, only required portion of the signal will be clipped. Here -3 voltage is applied, so till 3 voltage the output will be passed. So greater than whatever the voltage is there, that is clipped. So this is all about positive and negative biased clipper. You will be setting a value by using a battery, and only till that value the output voltage we will get. Greater than whatever the input value is greater than the battery supply, the output will be clipped. Before the values which are lesser than the battery value, then that output alone we will be getting. So that's all about positive and negative bias clipper. Next topic I'll be explaining about clamper and other applications of diode. Yes, thank you. Hope everyone understood. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.